pool salt cell showing error codes? Let's get that sorted so your saltwater pool stays crystal clear and hassle-free. Alright, first off, when you see an error code on your salt cell, don't freak out. Grab your pool's manual because it usually has a list of what those codes mean. Next, give the salt cell a good clean. Sometimes buildup is just messing with it. Use a mild acid solution like diluted muriatic acid or a cell cleaner, and always wear gloves, safety first. Make sure your pool's salt level is right where it's supposed to be. Too low or too high can throw off the cell's performance. Also, check your pool's water flow, because if the pump isn't running right or there's a clog, the salt cell might show errors. Keep an eye on your pool's pH and stabilizer levels too, since they affect how well the salt system works. If the error sticks around after cleaning and checking all that, it might be time to replace the cell or call in a pro. Trust me, regular maintenance saves you from bigger headaches later. One of the most common mistakes with salt cells showing error codes is neglecting regular cleaning. Mineral buildup can cause all kinds of trouble, so schedule cleanings every 3 to 6 months. Another issue is ignoring water chemistry. If your salt level, pH, or stabilizer are off, your cell won't work properly and will throw error codes. Fix this by testing your water weekly and adjusting as needed. Lastly, many folks overlook proper water flow. If the pump or filter is clogged or malfunctioning, the cell can't do its job. Make sure your pump runs consistently and clean the filter regularly to avoid this. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without the stress. It also helps contractors connect with real customers who need their skills, making the whole process way easier for everyone.